My name's Miranda. I'm a orthopedic and pelvic health physiotherapist, and I was so excited to take the online Female Athlete 2 course to further my understanding of what I learned in the Female Athlete 1. I had an absolutely fantastic time on the online Female Athlete 2. It was just as interactive and just as practical, which was super surprising for an online course. Something that I was really interested in and why I took the Female Athlete 2 course is to learn more about supporting people through transitioning or helping them work through strong beliefs that they may have that might potentially be a limiting factor for them. So for example, somebody comes in, they've maybe got a strong belief that crunches are bad for diastasis. Just like we talked about in Female Athlete 1, we want to see if we can have that experience before knowledge. But what does that mean, and how do we help somebody work through that? So Female Athlete 2 offered a really great opportunity to dive a little bit more into patient interaction and work through people's beliefs, their attitudes, their meanings, their BAMs and their BAs, essentially, right? So that was something that I was really drawn to for Female Athlete 2. We broke down more about beliefs, attitudes, and meaning with some very helpful worksheets that Antony supplied and created. And since taking the course, I have felt a lot more confident and a lot more comfortable in those situations where it seems like my beliefs are quite different from the person's beliefs that I'm working with. And this just builds on what we learned in Female Athlete 1, talking about helping to support people by providing them with experience before knowledge. And that for me was a really big highlight. And something else that I was really excited about was to participate again in a group of like-minded people who are passionate about supporting women. And it was another great opportunity to network, to have conversations, and to get more information about what the research is saying for helping to support ladies with movement and exercise. So if you're thinking about signing up, I would highly recommend it.